At first light, the cycle of sugar begins in the endless cane fields. Strong hands and sharp blades bring the tall cane down one by one. It is gathered with care, ready for the next journey, on the back of heavy machines. Green fields, the long journey to the factory begins. The roads fill with the sweet. The heavy loads leave the green fields behind and begin the long haul. One by one, the vehicles gather into a rolling line of miles of asphalt bring the raw cane ever closer to its destination, the industrial horizon. The approach begins as the factory gates come into view.
Inside the gates, the cane arrives at the
open to receive the morning's harvest.
Precision and patience place every truck exactly where it needs to be.
And the heavy loads are finally granted entry. Steel empty the trucks in seconds. Pours into the heart of the industrial complex. The first stage of processing. Starts. Crossing the threshold, and the cane leaves the outside world behind. Inside these walls, the transformation from cane to sugar truly begins, and the real work inside begins. Stalks begin their climb into the factory, and hands catch what machines might miss. Strip away the dirt of the fields. Nothing is wasted as the fiber. Stage after stage, the mills into syrup. Its journey toward purity. The mud gives back its last sweet traces. Separate purity from impurity. Controlled boiling concentrates the sweetness step by step. Syrup waits for its final transformation. Stage by stage, the liquid inside the pans, the magic of crystallization white sugar. Air completes the drying of every crystal. Crystals into perfect uniform sizes. And the finished sugar rises into towering silos of white. The sugar waits for its final journey. Turns pure sugar into ready products. And seal each bag with exact precision. Every bag meets the standard. Protects product purity. Sugar. Strong film locks every pallet safely together. Product enters its temporary home. The season. With speed and accuracy. Receive their precious cargo. The sugar leaves for the world. The industrial heart of sugar production stands ready to transform the raw harvest. And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.